Snackbars contain a single line of text directly related to the operation performed. They may contain a text action but no icons, whereas toasts are primarily used for system messaging. They are also displayed at the bottom of the screen but may not be swiped off screen. Do you know how toast and snackbars are used in message displaying? Hi guys, welcome back to Perfect eLearning channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more technical content. In today's video, you will learn about one of the important Android topic which is known as snackbars and toast and how to display messages using toast and snackbars. So let's get started. Hi everyone, how are you all? So today we are going to do something which is we are going to display the messages to the user. So for example, you might have seen various toast or some messages that come. For example, if you delete something, it says it has been deleted. You seriously want to delete it, or undo kind of action button comes. So these kind of stuff. So we'll see how to display the message to the user when I'll write the code alongside. Then you'll get an exact idea what I'm trying to say. So for example, so I've created a new project. You guys can also create your own new project. Let me get rid of this hello world. I don't want this. Let me zoom it. Perfect. And I just need a button. Great. I'm just adjusting the margins. Wonderful. So the ID, let it be button. And I want to change the text to click me. Okay, great. And I will add the function. So let me go ahead and add a function over here. So I hope this much work everybody is able to do now properly, right? Okay, so let me create a function. Why I'm doing it again and again, so that you also do it again and again, and get into practice of this. I could have used the same code that I have written earlier, right? But it's always a good practice to when you're in the beginning of the coding. So why not do it again and again? So in the meantime, I just pressed Alt Enter and view is done now. So okay. So on click, let me call this button over here. Where is the on click? Yes. So let me call this on click button. Perfect. Now I'm not going to print a log. So log is something which is for me as a developer. Okay. And for you guys, you can use logs for debugging, right? But if you want to show something to the user, then how are you going to do that? Okay. So if you have done some programming language, you might know, like, we use print in Python, we use cout in C++, system.out.println in Java, and so on, right? So here, if I talk about in terms of Java, system.out.println would work, but again, that would not show to the user. So something I want wherein anything I'm printing is shown to the user. So there is something known as toast. Okay, so I'm going to use toast.makeText. So here it uses the context. So I'm going to say main activity.this. So when it says a context means it needs to use this particular activity. So main activity.this is going to return the context of this activity in which I'm working. So if the name of your activity is, for example, login activity, then you're going to write login activity.this, right? So then you need to give some text that it needs to print. For example, I'm saying it prints, hi there. Hi, hello. Okay. And then I'm saying that. Then I give the length of the toast. So there are various options. It could be a shorter one or it could be a longer one. Let me go ahead with the shorter one first. And finally, I need to show the toast. That's it. Okay, so I'm done. So these three things. So firstly, the context, then the text, and then the length. That's it, done. So whenever I'll press the button, so I'm going to see these three things. So let me run this alongside till I explain one more thing to you. So this is what is a toast. So once this toast is going to be printed on your screens, you will be able to understand how the user is going to see the text in an Android app. And you might have used various apps wherein this kind of text you might have seen. Okay, so then now you'll be very happy and excited making that toast yourself, which you have seen in various other applications, right? Okay, so apart from toast, there is one thing also which is known as snack bar. Okay, so what is a snack bar and how are we going to use it? How is it different from the toast? We're going to use that once this particular code gets run. So we're going to see the use case of snack bar as well. Okay, and then I'm going to give you basically a task. So the task says, let me explain the task a bit. So again, you need to make a toast, you need to make a snack bar, right? But you need to change the text. So herein I have written hi, hello. So you need to write something else. So you might think that's very easy, right? So just changing the text, Okay. Anyways, let me just see this happens. Click me. So this is the toast. Hi, hello. I think that's a bit shorter and yeah. Hi, hello. You see that? So let me make it a little bit longer. Right. So now let me run it. Yes. So it will be coming for a slightly longer time. Hi, hello, it got, right? So this is what was a toast. Now let me show you something which is a snack bar. Okay. Yes. So snack bar dot make. So in the snack bar, you don't have to pass the context. Okay. You have to pass a view. Okay. So for example, I pass on this view and again some text. Hi, how are you? Okay, and then the duration. Long. Perfect. Let me just add enter, create, and dot show. That's it. Okay. So now on click, two things are going to happen. So one thing is your toast. The other thing is your snack bar. Okay. Let's see. See, you saw that black one is the snack bar. Hi, how are you? Hi, hello is the toast. See, right. So recently, nowadays we don't use toast much. We use snack bars. Okay, wherein you can actually, you might have seen that snack bar on the right hand side, there is some action button also. So you can make that as well. Okay, so you can customize the snack bar according to yourself. You can change the color of the background. You can change the color of the text. Lots of things can happen. We'll go into detail of this later. So firstly, for making your first Android application, this much is perfectly fine. If you're able to understand what is a toast, what is a snack bar, so that's great. Okay, perfect. Now let me tell you what your task is, what you need to do. Okay, so you need to change this text over here. The other things remain the same. And what you need to write in the text. So with this button, above this button, I want you to take input from the user. That is the name of the user. Okay, you need to ask the user to enter the name. So whatever the name user enters, you need to take that input that the user has entered and show it in this text. You need to show hi and the name of the user. Similarly in the snack bar. Okay, so this is what you're gonna do, right? So try to do it yourself and then only see the video of the solution, right? So I'm going to see you in the next lecture with the solution, but do try to do it yourself. Good luck. See you soon. Bye-bye.